originally I wasn't actually going to do this video, but I thought, yeah, you might be interested. So in this box I have a new charger and 2 new batteries, and they are for my camera, this baby here. This is the Blackmagic 6K Pro Gen 2. Yes, and it's a gorgeous camera and I'm still learning how to use it. I do have several batteries for that, and here's one already that I've been using for quite a few years now on one of my other cameras. But I've decided to upgrade, and also I'm upgrading my charger. This is my current charger, it's a dual one, and it works fine, it does everything it's supposed to do, it charges up my batteries. But because I'm upgrading my studio, or the equipment in my studio I should say, I decided to get a new charger. So I've got a new charger and new batteries. Now this old one is the basic one. This is for the NP-F, which of these are exactly, but this is 2200 milliamps and these are 3500 milliamps. So you should get a longer life out of them. Let me just double check, make sure I've got the right one. Yeah, 3500 milliamps, 7.4 volts, which is the same as them ones on there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox these and I'm going to tell you where I bought them from. So believe it or not, I didn't actually buy these on Amazon. And the reason I didn't buy these on Amazon is because I couldn't find them. I could find all these, you know, the 2200, 2500 amps. I think there was a 2700 amp ones as well, but I couldn't find the 3500 amp ones. I mean, how many times I searched on Amazon, I couldn't find them. So I thought, I'm going to go and get them somewhere else. So I actually got these from a computer shop, believe it or not. Got these from Scan. And they look very similar actually on the base. Well, they are similar, aren't they? But obviously different labels. This does the 550 and 570 as well. And 3500 milliamps. So I thought, because I'm getting new batteries, like I said earlier, I need to get a new charger to go with it. It's got to be done, innit? Now these are not cheap. These cost, for the power, just under £80, and that was quite cheap actually. I did see them for a bit more than that, about another 5 or 10 depending on where you get it. So it's £80 for the power, £35 something each. Well, no, actually £30 something each. Then you've got delivery charge, carriage and VAT to add on to that. So there they go, 2 batteries. Yeah, simple, yeah. Like I said, I wasn't going to do it, and I thought, yeah, I'll do it. Another one to the collection. So my chargers come from a company called Wex Photo Videos, and that was about the cheapest I could find. I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. Now, this is how it actually turned up. No special instructions or anything like that. Get that box out of the way. But this is it. Comes with a plug, yeah, and 2 chargers. Now then, you can buy the same one that does 4 charging, so 2 on each side. But it's quite a bit more dearer than that. So I paid £109 for this, and I think the other one's about 200 something. But I thought 2's enough, okay? So they should just slide on there like that. Last famous words. Make sure it's round the right way, which it is, and they should, in theory, just slide on. Am I missing something? There's a little push down thing there. Yes, so it's a little bit on the stiff side because you've got that push down for added safety. There you go. And they shouldn't fall out. So it has 3 lights on it. And I'm guessing, well, it says there actually, charge, power, ready. So I will make sure these are fully charged up. Now, the other reason I'm changing over to these is because these don't seem to last very long. So I think they're on the way out. They seem to last about 10, maybe 15 minutes. But with my new charger, I'm going to make sure they're fully charged properly. And if they're still losing the charge, I'll be getting rid of them. Alright? So that is it. That is basically it. I'm just going to quickly show you what it looks like when it's all lit up. But basically that's it. And it's going to go on my charging station. If you've seen my video probably 1 or 2 years ago, I done myself a charging station. I can't remember when I done it. Oh, there's an on-off button there, or something. Reset button perhaps. Don't know. No instructions. Yeah, I was surprised at all. You'd think there would be, wouldn't you? Yeah, don't know what that does. It looks good. It looks professional, and I've got one. Give me a second, I'm going to power her up. Just so that I can show you what it looks like. So this is just for use. It's plugged in, powered up. We have 2 lights on. See that? Yellow one, or ambient, red, green. So it's charge, or it's charging. It's getting power, but it's not charged up. And that is it, and it's quite vented. It's got a nice bit of weight to it. It's not heavy, but it's not light. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. Yes, it is made of plastic, but yeah. And that is it. I just wanted to show you. So this is from a company called, or the manufacturer's Hawkwoods battery charger. This is the Mark II. Like I said, they do a 4-pack one. Model is DVMC2, 100 to 240 volt, 0.7 amps, 50 to 60 hertz. Output 1.2, 8.4 volts, blah blah blah. And apparently it does fast charging as well. That's another reason I bought it. So I don't know what that does. Nothing. Just a blank. So with that, that's it. I just wanted to show you that. So with that, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Well, I can't say no more.